Hi, this is Trisha from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your YouTube video. First off, what is a subtitle? Subtitles are the text that appear on your video when there is no sound being played. That way, for someone who is unable to listen to the sound of the video, they'll be able to read what is being spoken within the video. After you upload a video to YouTube, you can add subtitles. By default, YouTube will already generate subtitles for you, which makes it really nice. To edit those subtitles, what you'll want to do is you will click on the video, and then from the left-hand menu, go ahead and select Subtitles. As you will see, there is an automatic subtitle that is already generated by YouTube. And what you can do is you can go ahead and edit that subtitle to make sure there aren't any errors. Go ahead and click on the More options, and then here you can choose to edit, download, or delete. In this case, let's go ahead and edit in Classic Studio. What you will see on the side are a list of the auto-generated subtitles for you. You will see your video here on the right, and then below the video you will see the subtitles written out. And then what you'll notice is they are kind of boxed. So the subtitle will run from this time to this time, this one will run from this time to this time, and this is something that you can edit as well. So to do so, first go ahead and click on Edit, and then you'll be able to actually make edits within the subtitles here. Within the text box here, you can go ahead and make any edits that you need to. You can change any punctuation if you would like to add it to your subtitles. And then what's nice is you can play the video, and then as it's playing, you'll be able to kind of follow along with what is the auto-generated text and make any necessary adjustments that you need to. And then on the timeline here, you can adjust how long you want it to go. So like I said, this particular text will go from here to here. This text will go from here to here. And what you can do is you can adjust at what time you want that text to start and to finish on the screen. One thing I want to point out is there are some keyboard shortcuts which you can access here and then read through just to kind of shortcuts are always good to help with the efficiency when working with various programs, so you can check them out there. Under Actions here, you can choose to auto-generate, upload a file, or download the text. After you have finished editing your video, go ahead and click on Publish Edits. Here you will see that your subtitles have been published. You are given the options to add additional subtitles if you need to. Next, go ahead and return to YouTube Studio. You'll want to click back under Subtitles. Go ahead and click on that video again. From here, you'll want to go ahead and delete those original subtitles that were generated that had all the errors that you went ahead and fixed. So to do that, go ahead and click on the options and then delete that subtitles. Go ahead and select Delete. In this case, those subtitles that you fixed of errors will be available for that video whenever someone needs subtitles. What you'll notice down below is you have community contributions. In this case, I have it turned off for this video, but from here you can turn it on. Community contributions is where you allow others to submit subtitles for your videos. They can submit subtitles of different languages. At this time, I haven't tried this feature out, but it definitely sounds interesting. I'll leave a link below to where you can learn more about community contributions. Make sure after you upload any video that you edit your subtitles. This is really easy to do. Thank you for watching this video on how to add subtitles to your YouTube video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I share helpful tech tutorials on how to run your blog and business. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.